Green onions are about 90% water. Think of them like tiny water balloons. Once cut or stored improperly, water escapes, cells break down, and bacteria starts feeding. This is when you get slimy texture, bad smell, and loss of flavor. So the goal is to slow down water loss and stop bacteria growth. This way, you could keep green onions fresh for weeks or even months. Wash your green onions thoroughly. Pat them completely dry. This is very important. Chop them into small pieces. Put them into a zipper bag. Insert a straw into the bag opening. Seal the bag almost completely. Use the straw to suck out all the air. Quickly seal the bag fully, then place it in the freezer. This works because air is the enemy here. Oxygen helps bacteria grow, and food oxidize, thereby losing freshness. By removing air, you're basically putting the onions into pause mode. Think of it like putting your food in a time capsule. Freezing them slows everything down even further, like pressing the pause button on spoilage. Frozen onions don't need thawing, and they can go straight into cooking. They are perfect for stir fries, eggs, and soups. The second method is oil-coated freezer cubes. Wash and dry the onions. Chop them finely. Put them in a bowl. Add a small amount of cooking oil. Mix until lightly coated. Spoon the mixture into an ice cube tray. Freeze until solid. And transfer cubes into a zipper bag for storage. This works because oil acts like a protective shield. It blocks air exposure, reduces freezer burn, and locks in flavor compounds. Many of the flavor compounds in green onions are fat soluble, meaning oil actually helps preserve and even enhance their taste. These cubes are incredibly convenient to just drop into soups, hot pan, and sauce. It melts instantly and releases flavor. It's like having a ready-made flavor booster anytime you cook. And finally, pickling green onions. Wash and cut the green onions. Pack them into a clean jar. In a separate container, mix vinegar, water, and salt. Pour the mixture over the onions. Make sure everything is fully submerged. Then close the jar and refrigerate. Pickling changes the environment completely. Vinegar creates an acidic environment where harmful bacteria can't survive. Think of it like turning your jar into a place where bad microbes simply can't live. At the same time, salt draws out moisture, and acidity preserves texture. Pickled green onions can last for weeks in the fridge and add a tangy fresh flavor, perfect for salads, sandwiches, and toppings. Would you also like to know how to keep lettuce fresh, crisp, and green for weeks? Then click directly on this video we linked for you right here.